don't shine in daylight. Some love survive in shadows. Bare hearts, dark corners. Street cold, but your hands stay warm. City tall, but we stay low form. No witnesses, no applause. Just two hearts breaking quiet lost. I learned early how to guard my chest. Armor up, never give my best. But you look through the cracks in me, like you already know the mess in me. Back alley glowing silhouette. Every step feel like a dangerous bet. No halo, love, no picture perfect scene. Just raw truth in between. We don't need the crowd to see what this moment doing to me. No spotlight, no safety net. Just the realest love I felt, yeah. Hearts in dark corners. No mask when the night gets colder. We love no key off the grid. Still feel everything we did. Hearts in dark corners. No rules written, no controllers. If the world never understand us, I still choose you in the shadows. Yeah. I ain't flawless, I ain't pure. Just honest love, nothing more. You don't ask me to be fake. You let me breathe, let me break. City taught me how to survive. You remind me I'm alive. Every scar on my skin, you trace it like a sacred den. We don't post, we don't brag. This ain't something for the tag. What we got don't need approval. It's too real to be removable. Heart beat loud in the quiet space. Your name heavy when I say it. No promises, carved in stone. Just truth every time we alone. Hearts in dark corners. Love hidden from the vultures. We don't shine, we don't scream. Still the realest thing I see there. Hearts in dark corners. Late nights make us bolder. The light never find us. I still stay where your heart is. Maybe love ain't meant for stages. Maybe it's surviving cages. Good from fear, pain, and trust. Still breathing even when it's rough. If love and quiet keep us safe, then let the world test by the day. I don't need forever loud, just forever when it counts. Sounds echo down the block. Town keep moving, but we don't stop. Every look say don't let go, even when the lights stay low. I've been burned by spotlight love, faded fast when it got tough. Folk we got don't fade with dawn and linger like the favorite song. Yeah, hearts in dark corners, still shining without the armor. No labels, no disguise, just truth I live like hearts in dark corners. We might be a struggle. If this love gotta stay here, I'll protect it with mine. Some nights don't be for the world, they be for each other. They be for each other. Yeah. Some love don't shine in daylight. Some love survive in shadows. Bare hearts, dark corners. Street cold, but your hands stay warm. City talk, but we stay low form. No witnesses, no applause. Just two hearts breaking quiet laws. I learned early how to guard my chest. Armor up, never give my best. But you look through the cracks in me, like you already know the mess in me. Black alley glow in your silhouette. Every step feel like a dangerous bet. No halo, love, no picture perfect scene. Just raw truth in between. We don't need the crowd to see what this moment doing to me. No spotlight, no safety net. Just the realest love I feel, yeah. Bare hearts in dark corners. No mask when the night gets colder. We love low-key, off the bridge. Still feel everything we did. Bare hearts in dark corners. No rules written, no controllers. If the world never understands us, I still choose you in the shadow. I ain't flawless, I ain't pure. Just honest love, nothing more. You don't ask me to be fake. You will let me breathe, let me break. City taught me how to survive. You remind me I'm alive. Every scar on my skin, you trace it like a sacred dam. We don't post, we don't brag. This ain't something for the tag. What we got don't need approval. It's too real to be removable. Heart beat loud in a quiet space. Your name heavy when I say it. No promise, just carved in stone. Just truth every time we alone. Yeah, hearts in dark corners. Love hidden from the vultures. We don't shine, we don't scream. Still the realest thing I've seen. Bare hearts in dark corners. Late nights make us bolder. If the light never find us, I still stay where your heart is. Maybe love ain't meant for stages. Maybe it's surviving cages, built from fear, pain and trust. Still breathing even when it's rough. If love and quiet keep us safe, then let the world pass us by today. I don't need forever loud, just forever when it counts. Sirens echo down the block, time keep moving but we don't stop. Every love say don't let go, even when the lights stay low. I've been burnt by spotlight, you faded fast when it got tough. What we got don't fade with dawn and linger like a favorite song. Their hearts in dark corners, still shining without the armor. No labels, no disguise, just truth when we lock eyes. Their hearts in dark corners, unite, made us stronger. If this love, gotta stay hidden, I'll protect you with my honor. Some hearts don't beat for the world, they beat for each other. Bass pounding, bodies moving, whispers only we understand. Tonight's ours. Floor shaking like a city's heartbeat. Lights low, your eyes pulling me deep. Right around but we invisible. Every glance say this is permissible. Let the jacket's heels click in their rhythm. Slow sway your hands sketching a prism. Every move like a secret language. Every touch got me feeling dangerous. I don't need a stage, I don't need fame. Just your lips whisper my name. Neon reflections in your pupils glow. Every pulse syncing with the stereo. No words, just the way you move. Everybody telling me the truth. Bass hit, feel it on my chest. Your touch alone better than the rest. What's this between bass and bodies? Late night love, no apologies. Every look, every touch, every sound. We lose ourselves, no one around. What's just between bass and bodies? Heat rising in slow stories. No trees, no rules, no lies. Just freedom where the rhythm lies. Smoke curling in the strobe lit room. Skin on skin, you was dull to gloom. Crowd fading, it's only you near. Every inch say, stay right here. Hands trace curves like a painter's art. Every rhythm pulling us apart. But we don't fight, we surrender. Every heartbeat just gets tenderer. Street train love with a blood vibe. You read me without a single line. Never love, loud, fake and flashy. But with you, it's silent, soft, glassy. Heartbeat sinking with the kick drum. Every breath singing, don't go calm. No script, no pens, no pretense. Just loyalty, heat, and presence. What's the between bass and body? Late night love, no apologies. Every look, every touch, every sound. We lose ourselves, no one around. What's this between bass and body? Heat rising in the slow stories. No chains, no rules, no lies. Just freedom where the rhythm lies. Yeah. Maybe love's supposed to be like this. Quiet but electric, dangerous bliss. Hands speaking louder than words ever could. Be shaked in the flow, we understood. Fast world, we move slow. Every whisper singing, don't let go. If the night is all we own, I took every beat and every tone. I stayed, but you flew stage. Your touch race stories in my veins. I've been burned by your touch, you fade. But your whispers only make me ache. Sideways glass and stolen moments and sound. Every vibration keeps pulling us down. Say we alive, but we still stand apart. Connected only by rhythm and heart. This was between bass and body. Bass and body. Bodies no apology. Every look, every touch, every sound. We lose ourselves, don't wanna run. This was between bass and body. Stories. No trees, no rules, no lies. Just freedom with a rhythm lies. Body slow, whispers fade. when you're around. Like the walls learn how to listen and the noise calmed down. Every thought was racing, now it's falling in line. The world doesn't feel so heavy when your hand finds mine. No pressure in the silence we keep, just a rhythm I don't have to fight or beat. It's easy breathing next to you, like I finally slow my mind. Every worry fades a little, every moment feels kind. I don't need the perfect words or reason to stay. It's easy breathing next to you in the simplest way. Streetlights hung outside like they're in on the truth. That peace can feel this natural when I'm close to you. We don't fill every second with something to say. Some connections feel strongest when they're quiet that way. No fear hiding in between, just a comfort I didn't know I needed. It's easy breathing next to you, like a baby air knows my name. Every heartbeat finds its place, nothing feels out of frame. I don't need the future mapped or the past to explain. It's easy breathing next to you, and that's more than enough for me. If the world starts spinning fast and the nights feel long and loud, I'll remember how it feels when everything slows down. It's easy breathing next to you, even when the lights are low. Like my chest remembers how to rise and fall on its own. No big promises to prove, no lines I have to choose.